In this inspiring video, we will explore the incredible journey of self-overcoming and the strength of facing challenges alone. You will discover that, even when it seems like no one is by your side, there is a powerful inner strength that can guide and empower you. We will see how solitude can be an opportunity to develop unique skills, strengthen the mindset, and find the true essence of our being. You won't always have a support team by your side. Not everyone will be with you. Not everyone will support your ideas or dreams. Sometimes, dear friends, you will have to move forward alone. You need to pursue your goals with your own mindset, being true to who you really are inside. When facing challenges on your own, when the storm is approaching, you must stand firm. When everything seems too difficult, and you think you don't have the mental capacity to overcome the pain and agony, you still have to stand firm. Being alone does not mean being completely alone. It means there is still something connected to you, some unique qualities that are part of who you are. The question is, do you have the ability to awaken these qualities? We all have unique gifts, special talent. We were created to achieve great feats. Not everyone will support you. Not everyone will be by your side. So, when you are alone, make sure you are firm with a pure heart, a strong mindset, faith, and the understanding that there is something important you must accomplish. Being alone from time to time gives you power. It doesn't mean you will stay like this forever, but enough to rectify something within yourself. And when the time comes to stand out, nothing will be able to stop you, because you will have developed something internal that no one has ever seen or understood. As you understand, keep moving forward, trusting, believing. As for work ethic, this is where you must dig deeper, work harder, ignore the noise and the pessimists. Sometimes you need to be silent and listen to your passion, your heart, your truth. Because in the end, when everything is over, you will still be the only person left standing. When you reach a point in life where you feel you have come to the end of the road, when you feel you no longer have the strength to continue, you must find another source of power and strength. Wherever your mind is now, if it is not building you up, making you better or stronger, you need to disconnect from it. Learn to walk alone sometimes, to be strong when necessary. Learn that not everyone will be with you. Stop looking for other people to lift you when you are down. Remember that many people in the world have as many problems as you do, if not more. Not everyone cares about your problems. Not everyone wants to hear about them. Sometimes you need to say, now it's up to me. I need to take the steps, make the mistakes, perhaps fail from time to time, but never give up whole. When everyone else wants to give up, you will remain standing. When everyone looks down on you, you will stand firm. When everyone thinks you don't have what it takes, you will prove them wrong. You will stand firm as long as you can, but you will not bow down. You will not give up. You will do your work, make every day of your life count. Refuse to say you can't. Refuse to believe that you can't matters to you. Have you ever looked at something in your life and said, I can't do this? No, friends, that you will never succeed because you believed you couldn't. You believed that I can't mattered more to you than you did. You surrounded yourself with things that didn't matter. Let other people and obstacles get in your way. Refuse to challenge yourself. To say, today is the day I will do what I need to do for myself. For my peace of mind. Don't wait for things to happen by themselves. If you look left or right waiting for someone to rescue you, you will wait a long time, because people have their own things to deal with. So, when you are alone, have the right mindset to know that, in the end, you must stand firm, work, believe, fight, push, and never give up on yourself. This is the moment when you must reach a point you have never reached before, a place no one has ever seen. Believe that no one can touch you. Tune in to who you are. Trust yourself. Stop doubting. If you really want to be the best version of yourself, know that you are the best at what you do, because no one is like you. No one can do things the way you do. No one can take your power because it is yours. Don't give it away. Don't let others steal it. Don't let them take your peace of mind. Tell you that you are not worthy because you are. Being alone does not mean being completely alone. There is a greater power, something that brought you here. I'm not talking about people, but something beyond this universe, something grand. That's why you exist, because no one exists alone. But we must know that we don't need everyone to be someone. We don't need everyone's approval to be approved. Just know that your work, your mindset, and your faith in what you do now matter. How you pursue your life, how you move forward depends on what you put in your mind and say, I am ready. I need to move forward. If you look back, you will be too distracted to see what is ahead. Challenges will come. Let them come. You will be tested from time to time and may not always pass the test. But as long as you are breathing, you will be challenged, tested, and sometimes you will have to go alone. So, follow your path. Be the best version of yourself. Don't let anyone hold you back. Because today is the day you are above negativity, above detractors. If it's just you, so be it. But don't bow down to anything. If it didn't strengthen you, don't let it destroy you. Keep fighting the good fight. Be strong every day of your life. And from the bottom of my heart, mind your own business. Moreover, remember that solitude is not a permanent state. It serves to strengthen you, to get to know yourself better and understand your own capabilities. It is an invitation to dive within yourself and discover the strength you never knew you had. With each challenge overcome, with each obstacle conquered, you become more resilient, more confident in yourself and your abilities. When you finally achieve your goals, when you look back and see the path you walked alone, you will realize that all the effort was worth it. You will see that, despite walking alone, you were never truly alone. You had with you the strength of your determination, the light of your own truth, the faith in your abilities. It is important, however, to remember that the path of solitude is not easy. There will be moments of doubt, fear, extreme fatigue. But it is precisely in these moments that you must remember why you started, the reasons that led you to follow this path. Use these moments as fuel for your journey, turning each adversity into an opportunity for growth. And don't forget, you are enough. You have within you all the tools necessary to achieve what you want. Trust your instinct. Listen to your inner voice, and don't be shaken by the opinions of others. Often, people who try to discourage you are projecting their own insecurities and fears. Don't let these feelings influence your path. The journey of self-overcoming is a solitary one, but it is also one of the most rewarding experiences you can have. By deeply knowing yourself, you discover the beauty of your own essence, the uniqueness of your skills, and the power of your resilience. You realize that you are capable of anything you set your mind to, as long as you have courage, determination, and faith in yourself. So, keep walking. Each step you take brings you closer to your dreams. Each challenge overcome is a personal victory that no one can take away from you. And always remember, being alone is not a weakness, but an opportunity to strengthen and grow. It is a moment of introspection and self-discovery that, in the end, will make you a stronger and more determined person. When life challenges you, when circumstances seem unbearable, take a deep breath and remember, you are capable. You are strong. You are resilient. And above all, you are enough. Face each challenge with courage and determination, knowing that in the end, you will come out stronger and ready for anything life throws at you. Never underestimate the power of your mind. It is the most powerful tool you possess. With the right mindset, you can turn obstacles into opportunities, failures into valuable lessons, and dreams into reality. Cultivate positive thoughts, believe in your potential, and always be willing to learn and grow. Finally, remember that the journey of life is made of ups and downs. There will be moments of joy and success, as well as moments of difficulty and discouragement. The important thing is never to give up. Keep fighting, keep believing, and above all, keep dreaming. Because at the end of the day, the only thing that really matters is that you gave your best, followed your heart, and never gave up on yourself.